What is up? It is Jordan from By 9 to 5 helping you say goodbye to your 9 to 5. And today we are going to be talking about how you can get 1,000 subscribers in less than a week. It is a hack that I have come up with that works very, very well and something you guys will be able to use whether you are downloading and reposting videos or whether you're making a channel with your own personal brand like I am on By 9 to 5. No matter what you're doing, this will work for you. Inside my course, I actually also have a way of definitely getting to the review in less than a week with just one video where you don't really have to do anything at all and the video doesn't even have to be good, and that's a hack that will cost you about $15 and something that I save teaching inside the course. So it's not going to be what we're talking about today, but this will be another way that you can get there very, very quickly, and it's a really good idea that I've come up with to show you guys. Not only that, I just got my lighting in, so if you're wondering why the lighting looks better, that's why. A big old lighting kit. I'm loving it so far. So hopefully the quality has been a lot better for you guys with the new camera and lighting setup. Like I said, I'm going to try to do things a lot better in 2019 as far as quality and things like that. If you're interested in knowing what camera and lighting I have, I do have links inside the description showing you guys exactly what it is so you can see what it looks like, how much it costs, all of those sort of things. Not only that, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog that I posted on the last video of me and my girlfriend going to the Chiefs game. Just a little something different for you guys, something that I thought would be fun to do. I was testing out my camera, testing out my skills with editing video, all those sort of things. It took quite a while for me to put together, so I hope you enjoyed it. But just a good chance for me to test out my camera, things like that. And not only that, but my girlfriend and I are strongly considering having her actually quit her job, having me pay all of her bills for her, and then paying for both of us to travel the world for about 6 months. If we do decide to do this, it will be something that we'll do when our lease ends at the end of July. So it is something we're strongly considering doing. And if we do decide to do that, we are going to start a brand new channel, which is a travel vlog channel. And so that's what I was trying to kind of test out, how it would work vlogging with my camera, with my video editing, kind of practicing those things to see the kind of day-to-day strategy we would need to come up with to make that channel a reality. So if you guys could let me know in the comments how many of you guys would be interested in going over and subscribing and watching a travel channel that involves me doing vlogs of where I'm at in the world and things like that. I would love to hear from you guys if you guys would enjoy that. It'll be a separate channel from this one. Now, I will not stop posting on this channel. If we do decide to do that, I will still be posting, every other day or something like that on my By 9 to 5 channel, teaching you guys all the tips about how to make money and make money on YouTube, all of those sort of things. But I would just be doing it from different hotels around the world. Who knows where we're going to end up going, but I would just be, in a different location, different country, pretty much every single day doing that. So let me know what you guys would think about that. And also, please let me know what you guys think about the quality. How does the quality look? Do you enjoy the camera, the lighting, all of those things that I've done, all the upgrades I've made for you guys, which cost quite a bit of money. So let me know what you guys think, and I would love to get some feedback from you guys. So let's jump into the computer, and they're in both of the courses. But what I teach is, that $15 method I was talking about at the beginning of the video about how you can literally upload one video. It doesn't even have to be good. You don't have to worry about ranking it or anything. And then you just shoot the views and the watch time to it, and then it costs about $15 to do that. And then, as you can see, Joe has used this to literally get 3 monetized channels. This one took him, he said, about 3 weeks to do here. And so, as he said, he just did exactly what I told him to do pretty much. So shout out to Joe for that. I also wanted to thank you guys again for jumping in the course, and I'll show you guys this real quick. I'm going to move this over just real quick so you guys don't see all the names that are in here, but 333 people have jumped in this month to the course, so I want to thank all you guys. So, I've gotten to meet a lot of new students. And, there's a lot of new activity, people asking questions inside the Facebook group, all of those sort of things. Getting nothing but really great feedback. And so, things have been very, very good. And so 333 students in 15 days. So I want to thank all you guys for all of your support. And it's been great to meet every single one of you. And I really enjoy, working with all of you guys. So I appreciate you guys jumping in. And so today we're going to talk about how we're going to get a lot of subscribers really, really quickly. And it's something that I've kind of talked about in the past, but I kind of want to jump into it a little bit more. So as I said, one of the ways I really grew by 9 to 5 was by posting videos on top, or comments on top comments. So here's what I did, guys, and I'll show you this. So first of all, I went into a video. A lot of you guys probably found me from this Dream Cloud. And he had a video that had almost 1 million views on it, guys. And it was the same sort of technique that I talk about all the time. And so what I did was I jumped in, and then I went to the top comment, and I commented on it. And so what that does, guys, is it, let me move the screen back over real quick. So what that does is, what do people do? They always go down, they watch the video, then they usually read the description, then they'll drop down, and then they'll read the top comment here. And so if you comment on the top comment, basically what you're doing is those 1 million views, a lot of them are going to come down and see your comment. And so when you say, I've made over 100K doing it, that makes them want to jump in and look at your channel because they know it's called By 9 to 5, which means I probably am talking about the same sort of things, right? So this is what you need to do. You need to go in and you need to make comments on top comments. And that really helps all the people who are coming into that viral video come down to the first comment and then end up reading your comment. And another thing that I did, my comment kind of got dropped down. I don't know why, because it has way more likes than all these other ones. But as you can see here, 164 people have liked my comment. Hey guys, I just wanted to tell you what he's teaching does work. I've made over 100K doing this. It's actually really simple. It comes down to finding the right video, special license, then clickbaiting correctly with titles, tags, thumbnails, etc. I go in super depth detail on my channel in multiple videos about how this all works, but I just wanted to back up that it does work. And so comments like that are very, very effective because of the fact that first of all, you're not coming off too salesy. It's very important that you don't do that. So when you jump in there and you do something like that, first of all, you're starting out with, hey, I really like this channel. I really like the video you made. And for those of you who are interested, I have this video, and go ahead and take a look at that. Don't say like, please subscribe to me or anything like that, and don't post your link to the channel or anything, or to a video or anything. Don't post any links or anything, but just go in there and say, hey, this video is really helpful, I really liked it, and I've actually been using what's in this video to do this or that. And then say I have some videos if that I think would help you guys out, or that I think you would enjoy, or something along those lines. And so that is really, really effective. And I also have a couple other like Gmail accounts that I have for YouTube. So I usually jump in there, I'll like my own comment, and then I'll go into the other 2 channels and like it again. So it's 3 likes. So that puts it above a bunch of other people that didn't have any likes. And then I usually like to comment with both of those channels onto that comment that I made. Then I go back to my original account, and then I usually comment on both of those comments and kind of start a conversation between the 3 channels. And that really helps with engagement, which helps your comment go up the rankings. And when you're doing this on viral videos, it's really, really helpful. And so basically you just want to look at whatever the most popular niches inside your channel, or inside your niche is. Look at the most popular channels. So what you want to start doing is, for instance, when I do my, if we do decide to make a vacation vlog, what I'm going to do is go to some of the other, trip vloggers and find the most popular channels. And then what you want to do is basically go in here and you want to subscribe. And then you want to hit the bell, okay? And that's what you want to do. You want to subscribe, and then you want to hit the bell, because what that's going to do is then allow you to know exactly when they post. And then once you know exactly when they post, you want to be one of the first ones to comment on that video, because if you do that, everybody's going to see it. So if for instance, like my travel vlogs, right? So if I go in here and if I'm trying to build a travel vlog, I'm going to go in and I'm going to find people who are really popular for travel vlogs. So, you know, something like this, right? And I'm going to try to grab this channel, and I'm going to basically subscribe to it, then hit the bell, because she's got 2 million subs. So I know that she gets a lot of viewers. And so basically I'm going to go in, hit the bell, and then I'm going to get notified as soon as they make a video. Then what I'll do is basically go in every day to maybe 4 or 5 channels that are really popular like this, and try to be one of the first ones to comment, because then there's a really good chance a lot of people are going to see your comment. And then from there, you know, you so then from there you'll say something like, you know, I really enjoyed this video, your channel is awesome, your channel actually helped motivate me to actually quit my job and travel the world. And we actually just made a video from Ireland that I think you guys would enjoy, or something along those lines, and do that on maybe 4 or 5 different channels that get millions of views. And then again, you have the bell, so you're one of the first ones to post. Then go into maybe your other channel if you have one of those, like the comment, leave a couple comments on the comment, and try to get it ranked. If you get it ranked early, people are going to scroll down, they're going to see your comment because you were one of the first ones, and then they're probably going to like it because they're like, oh, that's cool, this inspired this person to do it too, I'm going to check out their channel. Then they'll check out their channel. And so that's one of the ways I grew my Buy 9 to 5 channel really, really quickly, to get up to 13,000 views in like 6 months or something. And it's something you guys can really, really leverage. I did it with that Dream Cloud, which doesn't have that many views. I've never done the bell thing where I try to get it in first, but that's something I'm gonna start doing in the future on really big channels. So like, you know, like Ty Lopez and stuff like that. If I could put a bell on it, be the first one to comment on a Ty Lopez video, be like, I use what you teach to do this or that to make, you know, $100,000 or whatever. People are going to naturally like the comment because they also like the channel, and then they're going to go and they're going to look at what you have to offer on your channel. There's a good chance